Today it is my greatest pleasure to announce the first event in the Just Pure Being Nature Retreat series, Madeira. The Just Pure Being Nature Retreats are about creating a new world where we meet life with a very different attitude. Most of us have grown up with a certain worldview, a worldview full of lack, scarcity, struggle, and where we have to fight for our survival and have to study in order to be successful and to achieve, and are driven by fear and lack. And a lot of ancient traditions state that the world actually works in a very different way. And so I would like to ask, what if the outside world aligned to our inner world? And what if the outside world aligned to our beliefs? And what if joy and excitement showed us our path to abundance? And I would like to ask you if you would have the courage to do everything the other way around. And the Just Pure Being Nature retreats are not about hiking, although we'll spend a lot of time walking out in nature at beautiful spots, but they are about a different attitude and a different philosophy, an ancient philosophy, where we do almost everything the other way around. I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. Take care. And my name is Oliver Farago. I'm the face behind the Consciousness Adventure.